Come, let's make our orange oil together. This oil is amazing, is unique, and it is very nourishing to the skin. So the first ingredients we'll be needing is your orange peel. Get your orange, wash the back, then peel it off. What we need is the peel. So after peeling it, make sure that you dries out the water, not under the sun. You can spread it in your room, it will dry. Then get your blender. Please, when blending, make sure that your blender, you're using a strong blender. Okay, then you pour your orange peel, then you add your oil. You can use any oil of your choice, any carrier oil of your choice. Here I'm using pure coconut oil. You can see the color how it is. So I added 3 cups of pure coconut oil. Then we are blending now. It must not be that smooth. The reason why I'm blending, you can do it, you can also do yours without blending. Just pour your orange peel in your container, then add your oil and set it aside for 7 to 14 days. But I blended mine because I want to extract all the nutrients in it. Okay, that is why I did the blending method. So after blending, you pour in your container and set it aside for 14 days. But this one, it was, I think, the 12 days. This is the 12th days, and you can see that the color of my oil have changed, meaning that all the nutrition, all the nutrients that is in our orange peel have, you know, have soaked into my oil. You can see the color change, quite different from the oil that I added to it. And even the peel also changed color. So with this, I was able to achieve, you understand, I was able to get all the nutrients that I need from this orange peel. This is natural oil, very effective, contains vitamin C. It helps brightening dull skin, clear dark spots, fight bacteria, nourishes your skin. Okay, so we allow all the oil to, you know, allow all the oil to drip down from the sieve. You can see the colors changed. It really shows that something has happened between these 12 days. Something good has happened. So right here is our oil, so pure, like so pure. You know, one beautiful thing I love about making this yourself, one thing I love is that you'll be sure of what you are applying on your skin. You understand? You'll be sure of what you are applying on your skin. Your skin, you'll be sure that your skin is safe. And another thing I will also want to tell you guys, when you make this oil, please don't apply it direct to your skin. Mix it with other oil or your cream. Yes, you know, orange is citric, is acidic in nature. So when you want to apply this oil, don't apply it direct to your skin. Mix it with other oil or mix it with your cream. It will give you an amazing result. So here is the end result of our oil. Let's see how many bottles we're able to get. You can see how pure, so clean the oil is. So you can comfortably do this in your house. It's so simple. It's so simple. You can get coconut oil of maybe like 2,000 to 3,000 naira. Then You can even buy orange of 5 to 1,000 naira, peel off the back and use it to make this amazing oil for yourself. This will give you an amazing skin tone. It will clear any dark spots,